Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edwin Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to add extensions or add-ons to the Mozilla Firefox web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox browser, and then dito lang sa searching address bar, ay kailangan mo na type yung Firefox extension, right? And then press mo lang enter. At madirect tayo dito sa Firefox add-ons. Okay, yung first click lang. So, kailangan mo nang i-click ito, extensions add-ons for Firefox. So, click mo lang yan. And then, madirect tayo dito sa Firefox browser add-ons homepage. Okay, so makita mo dito yung extension themes and more dito sa taas. And then, pwede ka namang mag-search dito sa right side. So, click mo lang yan. And then, type ka lang dyan yung gusto mo extensions. And then, next, makikita mo naman dito yung iba't ibang klase ng extension and categories. Okay, saan dito siya? So, select ko lang dito. And then dito naman sa kanyang recommended extensions, nandito rin yung selection mga kaibigan. And then, makikita mo naman dito yung mga top-rated extensions. So, ibig sabihin na top-rated, so, mas recommended ito mga kaibigan na i-add natin. Andito siya, alright? So, for example, select lang natin dito sa categories. So, select lang tayo dito ng isa. So, click mo lang itong appearance. And then makita mo kaagad dito yung extensions found in appearance. Mayroon tayo ditong 7,909 na extensions. Okay? And then dito sa kanyang search result, makita mo dito yung iba't ibang klase na extensions dito sa about appearance. Okay? So, select ka lang dito. So, for example, select lang natin tong Google Translate. So, itap mo lang yan. And then, kung paano ba natin ito i-add to Firefox extensions. So, makita mo dito yung add to Firefox. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa right side, makita mo dito yung nag-pop up na this extension will have permissions to. So, kailangan mo lang i-click tong add. So, click mo lang yan. And then, makita mo kaagad dito na the Google Translate was added. Okay? So, click mo tong okay. Alright. So, para makita natin yung in-add natin. So, dito sa right side, makita mo dito yung icon na extension. So, click mo lang yan. And then, pwede mo itong i-manage extensions or click mo lang itong icon settings. Okay? So, click mo lang itong manage extensions. And then, dito sa manage extensions, pwede mo itong enable or disable siya. So, for example, click mo lang itong button ito. Ayan. So, naka-disable na itong extension na to. So, click mo lang ganyan. And then, next, pwede mo naman itong remove. So, click mo lang itong 3 dots. Click mo lang yan. And then, may selection options dito na pwede naman mong i-select. So, remove options, and then click mo itong manage. Okay? So, click mo lang itong remove, and then pop up ito mga kaibigan. So, click remove. Ayan. So, ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano na mag-add extensions in Mozilla Firefox browser. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.